All right, so we did the repair over here. We're gonna do this one, and we're gonna do one on the back. So this is south facing. I'm hoping this camera survives. It's hot out here. So this is the damaged shingle. It's broken. This was accounted for. So I'll keep reiterating this. So as explained on the first one I just swapped out, two concerns here. One, can these repairs be performed in such a way that it doesn't cause damage to the shingles above? On an old brittle roof, that's ordinarily or typically an issue. They're brittle. They get damaged, creased, cracked, tore. And that's what I've seen, observed, documented, and submitted to State Farm already. So I'm just hoping this long form video just sort of gets rid of the doubt. Okay, so something maybe I'll do it right now. Here's the certainty landmark, and I'm gonna put that next to the one I just pulled out and show you. So, do you see that? It says the roofing collection. That's not here. It's a different shingle. It's made by Certainty, so I'll give you that. So they probably have similar manufacturing processes, but it's not the same shingle. It's similar, but it's not the same. So anyway, you can see all the wind-driven debris lodged underneath that shingle. So that's, that was one of the wind damaged shingles that Brett from Seek Now missed or ignored or whatever. This and this. Okay, just hoping this is not getting too hot. The camera is still rolling. Okay. Well, I can say, as far as opinions go, I'm going to defer to Miss Henrie. But if my opinion mattered, I would say this shingle does not match, really at all. But again, I'll defer to Linda and let her speak for herself. The biggest concern I have is just how brittle these are. I mean, I'm not reaching, it's not a stretch. You're seeing bare fiberglass mat backing. They're not meant to move around like this. You're compromising the integrity of the roof to perform these repairs. And I understand that there's a place for repairs, I do. But if you're trying to patch or Mod Podge a 20-something-year-old roof, you're inevitably going to run into issues. So whether they're matches or not, I'd say that's a pretty serious consideration, but it's also creasing. See that? Oh, let me show you. Okay, we are rolling. Okay, do you see how those cracked? Do you see these cracks developing, these tears? Okay. Those are pretty obvious. I'll get some up-close photos, but you tell me if you think that's a match. Are we, did we meet, recreate, or maintain the uniform appearance Linda had prior to this loss? I guess that's what I'm trying to do as her contractor. The authority to make that determination rests between her and State Farm, but my opinion is that that's not a match.